SitesGPT AI is an exciting new AI software that's generating quite a buzz. But with so many AI tools out there, you're probably wondering, is this really worth my time? In this video, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about SitesGPT AI, and by the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether it's the best fit for your needs. Stay tuned because I'll also be sharing how you can try it for free. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what SitesGPT AI actually does. This AI software is designed to help users build websites with ease using advanced AI algorithms. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, SitesGPT simplifies the website creation process. It uses GPT technology to generate content, suggest layouts, and even create tailored designs based on your business type. Now, one of the most impressive aspects of SitesGPT AI is its ability to streamline the entire web development process. Normally, building a website requires expertise in design, coding, and content creation. But with SitesGPT, all you need is a simple idea or a few keywords, and the platform does the rest. In a matter of minutes, you can have a fully functional website up and running. Another great feature is its flexibility. Unlike some AI tools that restrict your creativity, SitesGPT allows you to customize the generated content and layout. This means you can fine-tune your site to meet your brand's specific needs. It's not just about building a basic site. It's about making sure your site represents your business or personal brand in the best possible way. But let's talk about one thing that sets SitesGPT apart from other website building AIs. Its integration with SEO tools. Good design is important, but if your site isn't optimized for search engines, it won't get seen. SitesGPT comes with built-in SEO optimization features, which means it'll not only help you create a beautiful site, but also make sure it ranks well on Google. Speed is another critical factor to mention. One of the standout benefits of SitesGPT AI is its quick turnaround time. It doesn't take hours or days to set up your website. This software delivers results in a fraction of the time compared to traditional web design methods, saving you both time and money. Now, let's talk about ease of use. SitesGPT was designed with non-technical users in mind. You don't need to be a web designer or a coding expert to get started. Its intuitive interface makes it simple to navigate, even for those with no previous web development experience. The AI-powered assistant walks you through each step of the process, so there's no confusion along the way. And what about customer support? SitesGPT has you covered. Whether you're having trouble with a feature or just need guidance on how to get started, their customer support team is available to assist you. Plus, they offer an extensive knowledge base so you can troubleshoot issues on your own if needed. So, what's the catch? As with any new AI software, there are a few things to keep in mind. While SitesGPT does an amazing job of generating content and designs, some users may still prefer the control and customization offered by traditional web development tools. If you're someone who prefers to fine-tune every detail manually, SitesGPT's AI-driven approach might feel a bit limiting at first. But for most users, the convenience and speed outweigh these minor limitations. Now, as promised, you can try SitesGPT AI completely free. Just click the first link in the description below to get started and experience its features firsthand. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've found a few others that are just as powerful. Check out the description for my recommended AI software options you can try for free. So, if you're looking for a game-changing way to build websites quickly and efficiently, SitesGPT AI is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more reviews on the latest AI tools.